Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC question number 12. At the 2013 Winnebago County Fair, a vendor is offering a fair special on sandals. If you buy one pair of sandals at the regular price of $50, you get a second pair at 40% discount and a third at half the regular price. Javier took advantage of the fair special to buy 3 pairs of sandals. What percentage of the $150 regular price did he save? So your first pair, Javier's first pair would have been $50. You get a second pair at a 40% discount, which means that it's only 60% of 50. Which means that 30 is your answer here. And the third pair at half the regular price, and the regular price is $50, which means that you get the third pair at $25. And if the regular price would have been 50, 50, and 50, which means that he only really saved $20 plus $25, which is $45, which means E is your answer right here.